We just got the keys to our new place. This is the start of our renovation journey. Come take a look at the before and help us dream up what's next. Alright, here's the kitchen. The cabinets are this dark gray color and a little outdated. We're debating whether to just paint them for a quick refresh or go all in and replace the cabinet doors entirely. We love the idea of mixing white oak and white accents, but honestly, we're just still figuring it out. The walls have this slightly yellow tone right now, so we're planning to refresh them with a more crisp white shade to brighten everything up. And the baseboards? They're pretty heavily damaged and definitely need replacing. We're looking at some modern, minimal options to pull the whole look together. Now we're in the main bedroom. We're starting from scratch here, deciding between a full closet with shelves, drawers, and hanging space, or keeping it simple and minimal. We're also debating adding closet doors or leaving it open. We're thinking about adding a custom island in the kitchen, a dining table, or maybe even both. Now we're in the second bedroom plus den area. In the second bedroom, we're planning to create an office space, but we're also thinking of adding a custom-built extra closet and storage to really make the most of the room. The flooring here is pretty old and scratched, and the color just doesn't vibe with what we want. It feels a bit off. We're imagining something lighter and cleaner to bring in that soft, natural feel. Follow along to see where we land with finishes, design choices, and the full transformation.